Hey guys, Dawie here, just to show you how to set up the front runner rooftop tent. So let's do it. First thing we're going to do is undo the straps. Let's go to the other side. So just take this strap nice and neat, otherwise it's going to scratch the bucky. Same with this side. Now to the other side again. Okay, so now we're just going to zip the zip around so we can take the cover off so we can get to the tent. So I'm a bit short, so that's why I'm using a step. Okay, so unzip. Okay, now we're just going to take the cover off. So you'll see here's a strap here. Just undo that strap. The same on the other side. Okay, so now we're just going to bring the cover over so we can get to the tent. Here's our spring poles. Okay, now we're just going to give it a pull. Now we're just going to set the ladder up like that. Now it's time for the spring poles. So we're going to find a hole there, and then you'll see here's a hole here, like that. So you have 2 long ones and 4 short ones. So the 4 short ones are for the front side and for the back side, and then the 2 longer ones are for the side and for the other side at the back. I'm going to show you that. So let's start with these 2 quickly. You will see here's a hole on this side where you need to go in, like that. Then we're going to do this side exactly the same. And then there's our other hole. Like that. Now it's time for the other long one. Again on the hole on the side. Like that. Now we're going to the other side. And that's for your fly sheet. So all that you need to do now is climb inside the tent and fold open the mattress, make your bed. It's as easy as that. Okay guys, you had a lekker camp, now it's time to go home. Sorry about that, but let's pack up. I'm going to show you how. So what we're going to do is take the pole out, all of them. Now we're going to take all the poles, put it back in the bag. Now we're just going to close it. Okay, now we're just going to put this aside. So now we're going to use the ladder to close the tent. Let's see. Push up. There we go. Now it's time to tuck in the canvas. So this process does take a little bit of time, but it's one of those things that needs to happen. So we're just going to tuck the canvas inside, because when we close the tent with the bag, it doesn't get snagged on. That should do it. The strap on this side, I will show you guys on the other side now. Okay, the strap on this side. Okay, everything is nice and neat here. Okay, first thing we're gonna put our spring poles in their little hidey hole, just there. Now we're gonna throw the cover over. Okay, like that. Okay, now it's time to zip it up again. Okay, can't go any further. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna throw these guys, they can't go very far. Okay, now it's just the last part of the zip. There we go, zip is done. Now it's time for the strap. Put it through the eyes, give it a tuck, grab the other strap, through the other eye, give it a pull. That's that. Okay guys, the tent is all set up, it's time to go home. Thank you guys for watching, have a nice day, cheers.